Good morning, and welcome to Teaching with Tech, a series dedicated to exploring the transformative impact of technology in education and streamlining the routine tasks of our teaching profession. In today's episode, I'm excited to share a selection of invaluable shortcuts that have revolutionized my daily efficiency with technology. I will demonstrate these shortcuts on a Windows PC. However, they are equally applicable to Mac users, with a simple substitution of the Ctrl key for the Command key. We will delve into practical applications by copying and editing a section of the IB Biology syllabus exclusively using these keyboard shortcuts. Firstly, to locate section B1.2 in our syllabus, we'll employ the Find feature. Simply press Ctrl F to prompt the search dialog box, which allows us to seamlessly sift through the document. Enter the desired term and easily navigate to its occurrences in the text. Having pinpointed our section within the PDF, we'll now transpose this excerpt to a Word document. Ctrl C will copy the selected text. Moving to our Word document, Ctrl V will paste the copied content. However, the formatting may not always suit our preferences. Instead of adjusting text piece by piece, Ctrl A selects all content, enabling us to modify formatting en masse via a right-click context menu. To enhance the document's readability, let's emphasize key sections. Ctrl B will bolden the highlighted text, making it more prominent. For a subtle emphasis, italicize text with Ctrl I. To underscore headings, Ctrl U is your shortcut. Editing mishaps, like inadvertent text deletions, are common yet easily reversible with Ctrl Z, which undoes the last action. Changed your mind? Ctrl Y will redo it. Accidentally closed the browser tab? Ctrl Shift T to the rescue, swiftly restoring the last closed tab in most web browsers. For capturing specific on-screen content, Windows Shift S activates a tool that allows for selective screenshotting. This copies the image directly to your clipboard for easy pasting elsewhere. Lastly, if typing becomes cumbersome, Windows key +H launches the dictation tool, transforming speech into text with remarkable accuracy. And there you have it, a suite of shortcuts to enhance your document handling efficiency. I hope you found this informative and helpful. See you in the next episode of Teaching with Tech.